Yes, we want to get the cost of living down. Yes, we want to deal with the schools that need repairing and other areas, people who are out of homes, people who are all living together. And that's why I say answer the census, because what we're finding is that more and more families are bunking up in one house. And that is a clear indication of an effect of cost of living. But we cannot establish what the cost of living is without the statistics, without the information that we require from the population. So I know I've probably gone in a different direction that your question wanted, but I think people of St. Martin who voted for us as members. Some of us are now on the executive branch, and this is the reality of our system. And what I pledge to you is continue to work. I came from a meeting, actually, with someone who is an advisor on electoral reform matters, and I will be continuing to champion changes that can be made still in advance of any new election. And when a new election is to be called, it will happen because government calls it, and we haven't done that.